Hello everyone, Mr. Hissner here. Today we're going to be ranking the numbers, the integers 0 through 50. So this is a big deal. There's been a lot of debate in the news recently. I don't know if you've been watching the news, but this is going to help you become an informed citizen. And when somebody says, number 21 is the best, you can say, well, I don't want to ruin the surprises, but you can say, pump the brakes here. Let's look at some better numbers. All right, so without further ado, let's jump into it. All right, so we start off with our first number, number 0. Now, this is a pretty special number. Add by 0, subtract by 0, multiply by 0, all good things. But divide by 0, it loses that. So I think it drops it from being an S tier, really, to maybe an A+. All right, so moving on, number one here, we got big numero uno. So number 1, this is a great number, multiplicative identity. It's also easy to count by, and it's also the number 1. I think this actually lands at the S tier, so we're off to a good start here. 2, now this is also actually a great number 2. It's easy to count by 2s. 2s are even numbers. When anything is 2, it's just nice to see. There's a $2 bill, which is pretty cool. 1, I think this goes with 0. I think it has a lot of good potential. 3. Here's 3. So we got 3 here. I don't really know where 3 should go. I mean, it's count by 3s. Shakespeare used a lot of 3s. Maybe if you're like a basketball player or like a sports player, 3 is kind of a cool number. I think it's an A number. Now 4. It's definitely not 2. I'm gonna say this is average. We're gonna go right with average. Now, brings us to number 5. Now 5, I feel like is a honorary even number. Like whenever you do something by 5s, or like 5 is the answer to something, or like your phone's on volume, like 25 or 15. I feel like that's an honorary even number. I feel like 5 is really the best of both worlds. I'm gonna put 5 S tier. 6 is cursed. F minus. No discussion. 7 is lucky number 7. I like the number 7. It's a good prime number just in general. It's fun to count by 7s. They have cool stuff. I'm going to put 7. 7 is B tier. 8, not really special. I'm going to go with the 4 here. 9, I don't know, maybe even less special than 8. I don't really care about 9. I mean, you know what? 9's 6 upside down, so a little bit less cursed than 6, but still cursed. 10, ooh, good number. 10s are, just think about the number 10. You know what I mean? If you got 10 of something, this is the biggest number to most little kids. Like if you talk to a 2-year-old, they don't know a number bigger than 10. If you tell them like what's the biggest number you know, they might say bazillion, but a lot of them can only count to 10. So does bazillion exist? Right? That's a question that might be answered one day, but not yet. For now, 10. I'm putting 10 at S tier. 10 is a pretty good number. 11. Now this is 2 ones. This is a double 1 scenario. I like 11. I think 11s are fun to count by too. So I'm gonna say this is a cool number. I'm gonna put it at an A here. Okay, let's see. We got 12 coming up. Not special. 13, lucky number 13. I actually think 13 is a lucky number. I like the number 13. Yeah, I'm gonna go 13's a pretty. I'm gonna actually put it up here, A+. I think 13 is a really cool number. Like if you're a 13 type of a person, I think you're a cool person. 14, not special. 15, also not special. Even less special than 14. 16, not that special. 17, this is a cool number actually. If you know your 17's times tables, you can always impress people when you know a multiple of 17, like, oh no, this number, what's this divided by? And you're like 17. Yeah, this is cool. I'm gonna put this in the cool category. Less cool than 11 and 3, but probably right around the 7 area. 18, I don't think this is a very special number. 19 again, nah, not really impressed. 20 though, 20 is a cool number. No, less cool than 10. But I mean, $20 bills, 20 of things. I feel like 20 is a nice area to be at. Again, maybe like the upper bound, like 18, 19, 20. The little kids are like, 20, what? That just changed, right? Oh, wow, there's a 2 in the front. Okay, so 21. Now, this is a cool number. Blackjack, right? 21 here. 21 is like adulthood for most people. Although adulthood is not all it's cracked up to be, so drops it down a rank. 22. Now, 11, pretty high. 22, no, it's not. It's low. 23 though, yeah, Michael Jordan, LeBron James, Nike sneakers and stuff. I'm a basketball fan, so I'm gonna put 23 pretty high, and 24 Kobe Bryant, R.I.P. Even better than Jordan. So best small forward of all time, R.I.P. Shooting guard, whatever. Kobe Bryant is that number one man. Now 13, you think like 26, so maybe be up here, right? Because it's like 2 times 13, but no. 23, 26 just in general is just not a cool number, but 27, maybe a little bit cooler. Oh no, we forgot one. 25, how could I? And you know what? That's the thing about 25, so that kind of sneaks up on you. You don't realize that it's S tier until you need it. It's 5 times 5, right? Boom. Double the, it's like double mint gum. 28, that's a mid-level. I mean, it's okay. 29, significantly worse. 30, I like the number 30. I think 30 is like a pretty good number. Maybe I'll put up in a B range. 31, this is cursed, right? It just shouldn't be there. It just doesn't look good. I think most 30s don't look good, but 32, it's pretty good. I mean, if you ask me, numbers should really go from 31, it should go from 30, skip 31 to 32. Just break all the rules there. Get the 31s out. 33s, now you might think, 22's cursed, but 11 wasn't. Yeah, 33 is cursed too. I just don't like 33. I don't really like a lot of the 30s, just in general here. I'm just gonna start stacking them up here. 35, also not a big fan. I mean, better than 34. Okay, 36, 37. I don't know. Somehow even worse. 38, no, these are all bad numbers. I just don't like these numbers. I feel like it's indisputable that these numbers are just not special. But that number 40 though, A+. You know what I mean? 40 is the new 30. That's how life is now. So what was 30 when 30 was cool, 40 is now the cool thing to be. So 40 is up there. That's A+. 41, you know what I mean? Also okay. 42 though, nah, you don't want 42. Like 41 and 42, is that acceptable? 40 and 41, that's acceptable, but 42 drops off steeply. You don't want that. 43 makes a comeback. It's not quite 41 level, right? And then 44, that's S tier. That's what you don't know. That I know that's a surprise to some people, but for people who know 44 pretty well, that's not a surprise. That you were just waiting for this to happen. 45, okay. 46, okay. I would say 47. These are all better than 30s, that's for sure. 48, that's okay. 49's okay. But 50, that's A+. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everyone watching, here it is, the definitive list of ranked numbers 0 through 50. You can see the S tier. We got 1, 5, 10, 25, and 44. I know that 44 might seem like a dark horse for some, but other people, we were expecting that. 0, 2, 13, 24, 40, and 50. Now, again, there might be some dark horse numbers in here, like 13, but you know what I mean? 13 is actually lucky. 6 is the one that's cursed. Remember that. That'll help you later in your life achieve big things, really. All right, everybody. It's been Mr. Hissner here. Thanks for watching.